when you have to do the programs, you have to first, as I have told you, you will go to the keyboard. You will write keyboard.exe, right? Press enter, okay, of your keyboard. You got it over here. Now you will go to the special keys over there and you will press escape key. After pressing escape key, now you can write the program like I am writing over here. A simple program I will write it. Print, okay, I've written, and then yes, remember this is a one part. Okay, now here, yes, you can go to the special keys. In that F5 you will run the program, and when you will come back by pressing enter key, if you want to save your file, so you will go to the special keys in that alter and you will press F. After that, in that you have S for saving, so you will click on save and you will save your program. Okay, you can go to any of the way. I've just done in C, and click on press enter. Yes, okay, done. So this way your file will be saved. If you want to come out of it, right, if you want to go for the new again, you can go for alter and you will press F, and yes, you will go for N. Okay, if you want to go for open, you will press alter F, open, and then you can go to your file. You will write here your program. Okay, press enter key, and now your program is open. Hope you all have understand. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.